crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Today I'm doing the final prep work video for my Countdown to Christmas series. This is a series I've been working on since the summer, where every 25th of the month I did a video preparing my journal to get ready to document my December. There is a playlist. I will have that linked in the description box where you can go back and see how I created the cover and the base pages for this journal. I have made a prompt list where I have broken up all the prompts into the 4 weeks of December, each with a different theme. The first week is holiday favorites. The second is holiday wishes. Third week, we'll do a photo scavenger hunt. And the fourth week is time for Christmas reflections. I do have this prompt list in my Ko-fi shop for free if you would like to go over and grab this to follow along with our prompts. To go along with my journal, I decided to create a digital kit and call it Memories of Christmas 2024. I've created daily numbers that we can use to document each day for the month of December. I've gone all the way to the 31st, not just the 25th, because I did want it to be a complete document December. This is also available for free on my Ko-fi site. My digital kit that I have is a 16-page PDF kit where I have journal pages, I have decorator pages, background patterned paper, and ephemera sheets. I'm going to add some music here and do a quick flip through to show you what the pages look like. Again, the digital kit is available on my Ko-fi site if you'd like to go over and grab that and follow along with what I'll be doing to document my December. I would love it if you would come join my Facebook group, because I'd love for you to show me what you're creating in your effort to count down to Christmas. I will be doing my videos every Sunday, starting with the second Sunday in December, following each week in December. So be sure to hit the notification bell and the subscription button to be notified when I put up any new content. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.